This is a Jet's GPS client tutorial for the CNMS live fleet camera system. This one's covering the app. The app's available to download from the App Store and the Play Store, depending what operating system your phone's on, and you just use the same login credentials that you use on the desktop version. So once you log in, you'll be able to see your vehicle, where it is. You've got some details there, a little bit of tracking. If you click on live, then that will pull through the live camera footage. There you go. So you want that to be bigger, and my screen has flipped, which isn't ideal. And if you want to go to historical footage, then you click on playback, and you've got a search function, so you can select which vehicle, you can select which camera, and you can select your dates, and you would be able to go into that. If you double click on that, that's going to pull the historical footage off the camera. When you've found what you want, you can just click on the download button, and you can set your times, so you don't need to download the full file. You could just download the incident that you want. You click on download, and then you've got that as well. You've also got track. There you go. So that is what he's been doing today. And if you click on that, you can see you've got the journey history. Press play, and away he goes. And that is how to use Jet's GPS's CNMS fleet camera app.